Hi, to set default apps on your iPhone 16e, just go in your phone settings and now scroll all the way down to find Apps section. And then on the top of the display, you should see this tab Default Apps, so choose it. And after that, you will be able to manage which apps your iPhone will use automatically for sending emails, browsing the web, messaging, and so on. So just start step by step. We can go in App Installation. Here choose Default Marketplace. In my case, it is only App Store, so it is here by default. Then we can go in Email section and change our default email app. For example, from Apple's Mail app, I can switch to Gmail by tapping it. We can do the same for messaging. Also, we can do the same for calling. So I got two options. I can use either my phone app as a default calling app or FaceTime. We can do the same for call filtering. I got no apps for that. And we can do the same for browser. From Safari, I can switch to Google Chrome and so on. Then you can change your default passwords and codes app. So I'm gonna enable this Apple's passwords default app. And here you can choose to set up codes in this app. And then we can go in contactless app and choose default contactless app for contactless payments. In my case, it is only Apple Wallet. Then you can go in keyboards and you can tap here to add new keyboard, set any language from the list. And also, if you got just different keyboards installed on your phone, such as Gboard, for example, then you can set it as well by enabling full access. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.